Hi lovelies! Today I want to share with you a delicious recipe for easy to make Valentine's Day treats. These chocolate coconut balls are really quick and easy to make, and you need only 4 ingredients for them. Even if you are short on time, these are perfect last minute homemade gifts for your loved ones. The first thing you want to do is to chop the white chocolate, and you want to use a really good quality white chocolate because the white chocolate gives the taste for the filling. Then you want to chop the white chocolate finely into even pieces, add the cream and melt it over a water bath. You just want to heat it until the white chocolate has completely melted. Then you want to start adding the shredded coconut, and you want to add it little by little, mixing it still on the water bath until it's almost mixed. Then remove it from heat and continue folding until everything is combined. And then you want to chill the filling for about 30 minutes. After those 30 minutes, you want to form these kind of balls using an ice cream scooper or a tablespoon. And after that, you also want to chill them for another 30 minutes. Then we also want to prep the milk chocolate. You want to chop the milk chocolate also evenly into small pieces, add some cream to it and melt it until you have a nice and smooth consistency. To reach this consistency, you might need to add some extra cream. So while you're melting the chocolate, keep an eye on it and add some cream if needed to get this kind of a nice and smooth and runny consistency in order for you to nicely cover the coconut balls with the milk chocolate. And then you want to cover the coconut balls with the milk chocolate using 2 forks and allow the excess chocolate to drip off before you place the chocolate covered coconut balls on parchment paper. Once you've covered all of the coconut balls with the milk chocolate, you also want to decorate them right away before the glaze sets. I'm decorating mine with some shredded coconut and some hard sprinkles. Then you want to allow the chocolate to set, and after that remove the chocolate coconut balls using a spatula or a knife from the parchment paper and store them covered in the fridge. Enjoy your little coconut treats!